We are back at our park that we go to, but what I want to do is keep them in the shade. It's kind of hot. I don't know if we're going to be able to really walk that long on the trail. I'm going to give them some water before we head out, but I thought it would be nice to just like switch it up on the trail and get a peace of mind. I have been in the house like all week, and I am starting to feel that, and I thought it would be nice to get out. It's 90 degrees though. You guys, we're going to keep it calm, cool, and collected, and we won't push it, you know? I did get a new tattoo on Friday the 13th. It's a creepy skeleton key with 13, but it looks like a heart. Love that. I think it's so cute. And there's something else I want to get here. And then there's another plan for here, which leads me into what I'm about to say about the tattoo video. I want to sit down, take time, more time than I have, than to just get it up tomorrow, because today's Saturday. And so we're going to be having a regular vlog for tomorrow. You guys, how would you feel if I'm thinking I'm going to release that to you guys first and then make it public. Because here's my thought on it, and I'm sorry that AC is so loud right now. Here's my thought on it. If I'm going to be brave and do lifestyle content, I got to start being a little more brave and sharing more personal things. And of course, my tattoos are extremely personal. And so I think you guys have given me the confidence to just go for it. You guys have been so supportive of me and like making me, I know I have confidence, but you guys have really boosted that confidence and self-assurance in me more than you could ever imagine. I'm gonna cry, so hold on a second. You guys really make me feel like you see me and who I am, not just someone on the internet to entertain, you know? So thank you for that. You're really giving me the confidence to go for it, to go for this new chapter. So I think this would be a good way for us to do that. Let me know. What do you guys think? Send it to you guys first, and then the next day, like, go public with it. Because that's one of my biggest fears. I get so much judgment about my tattoos. It shouldn't hurt my feelings anymore because I love them and they all mean something to me, like even this key, which I'll tell you guys about. You guys ready for a walk? June, get some. You guys, I need to clean my car. It's filthy. Junie. Oh, you all right? Are we ready? June, you don't want any more water, honey? Okay. Come on. Good girl, June. All right, as expected, that did not last long. Everybody's too hot. I'm too hot. I am too hot and dressed in all black because, you know, you guys know I like to dress inappropriately for heat. Oh, yo pee-pee. Very good. I think that's where he went to the bathroom before. Great job, Tex. I'm gonna get them some water and then walk a little bit on the sidewalk. And then we are going to go home. I have to film my favorites video, which I meant to do for May, and here we are to June, and so we're gonna, you know, just talk about some favorites, chill, those things, do that. And then tonight, Josh and I are going to have another Cajun dinner from Rendy's. We're not gonna do crawfish though. We both feel like we're eating bugs. We look at them, we go, those are bugs. Like, ooh, sound like bugs, look like bugs, you know, just like with them rolling around and stuff. So, whew, I don't know. So we're just gonna do boudin and, I think I heard another one. So we're gonna do boudin, mushrooms, potatoes, and yeah, just have a nice little evening. And I will vlog it this time. You know, now that it's the second time, it's hot. All right, kids, we're almost there. I'm pretty proud of them for doing it this far. But I also So you guys remember that day? I think it was the first time I came to this park. I felt a little creeped out. Like I felt like something's off. I'm starting to feel that way again. And I know the missing girl posters are still there, but I don't know. I don't like being back here by myself. You know what I mean? Sometimes I also feel like I get a little bit triggered. Like I think I'm like fine and I don't really think about things that I've been through. And then I get in situations like this and I'm like, ooh girl, what are you doing? So I'm excited to actually get off this trail. So, and then I feel like it's like spooky, like I'm talking to you guys and then something's gonna happen and the footage is gonna be found. You know, I start going to, I can't watch true crime. I don't know, I don't feel like that stuff should really be entertainment. But especially after being a victim of what I was a victim of, I literally can't. So I start thinking like that, and this is gonna sound morbid, but like picturing my body like on the side of the trail and stuff, and I'm serious. Like I'm not even joking. You guys know I joke to deal with my trauma. I'm not even joking. That shit flashes in my head and I'm like, can't handle this. So, okay, I see the ending of the trail. Thank God. I'm scaring myself. Okay. Thank goodness. Oh, look at that butterfly. Hey. Whew. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna do the sidewalk. I think everybody's too hot, right? Get you some water and we'll be done with that. You guys, I just finished filming the favorites video, which is all on my face. I'll list the stuff below so you guys can know first, but just finished filming over here. It was nice. I liked filming a little video over here. You know? Cheers. It is now 6 p.m. Have a few more work things to do, and then I'm gonna set up for our dinner tonight, which will be the table and the whole deal, the whole spiel again. But I'll vlog it so you guys can see what we'll be doing. I feel like there's something like major that I'm forgetting that I needed to do today, and I don't know what that might be. Also, I'm still dealing with the bloat. You guys, I'm still dealing with some major bloating feelings and bloating action, and I'm not enjoying it. Like, and it's hard. Look at my posture. Good Lord. Stand up, Mallory. But look at my tum-tum. Look, okay, so I'm not sucking in, I'm not pushing out. The blow. I don't know, maybe I should try the carnivore diet. I gotta cut the dairy out, but it's so much protein and I need protein. Gotta stop with the dairy. I need to start editing the house reset video because I really want to get that up beginning of the week, if not tomorrow, which might be impossible. This week was tough. Very, very exhausting week. Mentally, emotionally, physically. The weather coming in like this is a lot. We're making it though, guys. I'm gonna clean this up, you guys. I'm gonna need you guys to help me with the cleaning up all the tiny little items I have in my bathroom and then in the studio. Oh, I'm so overwhelmed with all the tiny little items. So overwhelmed with all the tiny little items. So let's do this. All right, we're getting somewhere cute. I should just move the cedar. There. How cute. It's so cute. I love it out here, I really do. So now we just wait. I have to reheat the food, listen to the dogs bark, drink a little more wine, but girl, I'm so bloated from that dairy. I don't know, I've been craving red wine, so hopefully that's okay. I think it is, because we're not having seafood. We're having boudin and sausage and mushrooms and potatoes. I just had like an overwhelming sense of it's June and like what's gonna happen the rest of this year. One thing is too, like, we just live in a very scary time. I'm just gonna say that. All right, mentally, let's get back to we're having dinner. You guys ever, is it just me? Also, this needs, my whole house needs help. That's sheetrock behind me. What am I saying? Do you ever just like find yourself getting hit with a wave of mental destruction? That's what just happened. Well, it's Father's Day, and as we all know, I am fatherless. That was kind of a bad joke, but also I feel like that was a really good joke. Can I just say, like, I'm not a coffee snob, but I do like to drink organic coffee when I can, because of pesticides. It's the most pesticide-laden crop, you know. So they say, and so I try my hardest to drink organic coffee because of that. But there is something about McCafe coffee. It is so caffeinated, girl. I have not felt this energized just from coffee alone in a very long time. And my mom buys McCafe coffee, the McDonald's coffee. And I'm like, wow, this tastes good. And I'm zooming around and there's something about it. And then I put cayenne and cinnamon in it, you know, for blood circulation. Good morning, good afternoon. Last night was so fun. Our little dinner outside. And then tonight, Josh literally was like, what do you normally do on Father's Day? And I was like, wait, what? Are you being considerate of me right now? Normally I celebrate by myself. I do something, you know, that was meaningful to my dad. Makes me feel closer to him, like we're doing something together. And so tonight we're gonna watch one of my dad's favorite movies, What About Bob? And have snacks, have dinner again. It's just very, I don't know, considerate. And I have felt so alone the sun's coming out, in this grief. And I told him this, like, I felt so alone in this grief for so many years that it's wild for someone to consider what I'm going through and how I'm feeling before I even tell them. You know, like, today's Father's Day, it's a hard day. Like, he said it first. It was crazy. Anyone else that may find this day hard for any reason, you know, I get it. It's a very difficult day for me. You know, I wish I could be out spending it with my dad, you know. But I know he's with me, he's around me. It's funny because as I was setting up yesterday and I was filming product shots outside, I really felt like my dad was very close to me. I felt like he was like in the woods right there with me. It was a really nice feeling, so that was really cool. And in that moment, I really didn't remember that today was Father's Day. Here we are, it's Father's Day, and yeah, it's tough. For those of you who have lost a father, who are not close to your father, who never knew your father, all of it is very, very difficult. And then, you know, to have a day that's dedicated to that exact thing is tough because it continually gets thrown in your face, you know, like, Happy Father's Day, you know, so I get it, it's very difficult. It's very, very difficult. So I'm gonna drink this coffee, get in the shower. I really want to do my hair. I haven't done my hair in forever, so I would like to do my hair, edit this, get this up for you guys. It's important to do little things that make you feel better on days that may be tough, you know? And I think, yeah, just doing my hair might make me feel better. I know that sounds crazy, but that's what we're gonna do. All right, you guys, and the tattoo tour is coming. I think I am gonna be brave and make it public after you guys see it first. I just saw a couple birds fighting and a cardinal. Okay, well, ADHD at its best. And we have Pops today, don't we? Yeah. He looks like a little lamb. He's so soft too. Yeah, you like the cat. Okay, you guys. Happy Father's Day. Hee-hoo! Let's get this day in the books. Let's do it.
All right.